Learn how to quickly and easily make Thanksgiving napkin rings out of paper towel rolls using ribbon and accessories from the Dollar Tree. This is the ribbon and accessories I bought from the Dollar Tree, and I also got these cute plastic flowers. I decided to paint these in metallic gold and bronze because I love to paint everything. I also got these beautiful metallic sequins from the Dollar Tree. I added them to the center of each of my painted flowers with craft glue. Measure the width of a decorative ribbon. And cut a piece of paper towel roll the same size. Cut a piece of ribbon the length to wrap around the paper towel roll. And glue with craft glue. Accent the napkin ring with decorative ribbon. I got this beautiful flower from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use as an accent. Trim the plastic stem off the back of the flower and attach with hot glue. Separate the petals and glue the plastic flower onto the center of the flower. This came out beautiful. I love this design. I also decided to paint the twine I got from the Dollar Tree with the bronze and a gold paint. This napkin design is the same steps as the previous napkin. I'm just adding twine around the ribbon. And now I'm hot gluing the painted flower onto the center. These two designs would look elegant together on a Thanksgiving table. Here's another napkin ring design I came up with using the same ribbon. Twist the center of the ribbon and secure with a twist tie. This works nicely with a wired, wide ribbon. Wrap the cinched ribbon around a piece of paper towel roll. Trace both sides of the ribbon on the paper towel roll. Cut out the traced lines. Add hot glue to the center of the paper towel roll and attach the ribbon. Glue the ribbon around the paper towel roll with craft glue. I like to use a clear, quick-drying craft glue. Add hot glue to the center of the ribbon and attach the plastic flower. Isn't this pretty? It looks like an elegant ribbon bow. Here's another version of my Dollar Tree napkin rings using burlap ribbon. Cut a paper towel roll the length of 2 widths of the ribbon and attach with craft glue. I love the painted dots on this ribbon, so I wanted to make a longer napkin ring. I'm accenting this napkin ring with a jute rope to give it more of a rustic look. I attach it with hot glue. I found these cute small flowers at the Dollar Tree and cut off the plastic stem. I hot glued 2 of them to the center of the napkin ring. Then I hot glued rope around each end of the napkin ring. These came out really pretty, and I love the way the flowers match the polka dots. Here's another rustic napkin design which coordinates perfectly with the previous design. Measure the ribbon to wrap around the paper towel roll and cut. Attach the ribbon with craft glue. Cut the plastic stem off these cute flowers I found at the Dollar Tree. Wrap twine around the napkin ring and secure with hot glue. Glue the flower on top of the napkin ring with hot glue. I love this design, it's so cute. Here's another one of my napkin designs. I think these are very elegant. Gather and twist the ribbon together. Secure with a twist tie. Wrap the cinched ribbon around a piece of paper towel roll. Trim the excess ribbon. Trace both sides of the ribbon on the paper towel roll. Cut out the traced lines. Add hot glue to the center of the paper towel roll and attach the ribbon. Trim any excess of the paper towel roll. Attach ribbon to the paper towel roll with craft glue. Add hot glue to the center of the ribbon and attach the plastic flower. I absolutely love this design, it's so elegant. Here's another one of my napkin ring ideas using the same ribbon from the last design. Cut a paper towel roll the size of the ribbon and glue with craft glue. Attach a decorative leaf to the front of the napkin ring with hot glue. Apply hot glue to the back of the flower and attach to the center of the leaf. This design is so pretty and elegant, it's perfect for a fall Thanksgiving table. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye!